What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yeah, buddy. Look, man, you know, I've thought long and hard on these engines, what I'm going to put in the Fairmont. I mean, I've been thinking long and hard, you know, Coyote, even, you know, the EcoBoost Mustang engine. I mean, I haven't even thought of that, you know what I mean? Godzilla. I mean, I've thought of a whole bunch of different kind of engines put in this thing. You know, if I could find a GT500 or a GT350 engine, I mean, I've thought and thought and thought. But you know what? Guys, I head to Cleveland, took it in, box cracked, so that's what I wanted to build. But I found this 1968 302 Mexican block. Yeah, buddy. What am I going to do? I put it in. I talked to Ford Blue Gauge about it. He said those are great blocks. You know, Downhill Daddy, he said they're great blocks. You know, a lot of people say that they're pretty much the same thing as a Ford racing block. So, you know, the 302R blocks. So I bought it. So, heck, man, let's turn around and see what we got. Yeah, buddy. Can you say Mexican block? Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm going to copy off of Funky. 347, baby. Yeah, buddy. Let's turn this around and see what we got. So I just got back from picking it up. The engine was bored 30 over. Cylinders all look really, really nice. Really, really, really nice. I mean, they're dirty. They got a lot of oil in them. He put oil and some rust prohibitive in there. So, I mean, they're all in good shape. What does that say? It say Mexico? Yeah, buddy. So it's a Mexican block. Ford Blue says, to make sure, check that, make sure that's there. Is that what you was talking about, Ford Blue? Yeah, buddy. So, I mean, yeah, it's a really nice block. The guy has actually had this block for a very, very long time. He says there's nothing wrong with it. I know the guy, I know his son. You know, real good people, Ford guys. And so we got it. I mean, it's in nice shape. Let me turn the block around here right quick. Alrighty, so here we go. So guys, I'm going 302, man. 302. So we're gonna get it ready and get it set up for a 347. Oh yeah. So I need to figure out what kind of heads and stuff I want to put on it. I'm gonna see really how far I really want to go with this engine. You know. Nice, huh? Very nice. Nice. So anyhow, let me turn this back around.